Hey, welcome everybody. Brian here from T-Sportline, coming to you today from our Atlanta headquarters. We've got another Cybertruck that just got finished with some upgrades from us. Let's go through everything this customer opted for. First, I'm going to start with the wheels. We've got our 20-inch CT8 fully forged offering here. We offer this wheel in multiple sizes. This customer stuck with 20s. He already had the Michelin tires on here, so he's into his second round of tires. Time for a wheel upgrade. The thing I love about these is the floating center cap. So you can see down here, instead of exposed lug nuts, you've got the lug nuts and then that center cap, which is floating. So as you drive, you can see the T-Sportline logo, which is in Cybertruck font, stays flush. It's really cool. It's like a Rolls-Royce type thing for a fully floating center cap. Beyond the wheels, we've got our hex slit side step running boards bolted on. This is going to give you a step to be able to get in. Maybe you have kids, pets, older folks, people that just need help getting in. Side steps installed. Now from there, what else? Let's go inside. One of my favorite new upgrades from T-Sportline, we've got our digital camera rear view mirror. You know, on the factory Cybertruck, you have a small mirror up here, but it's effectively useless because of the tonneau cover. And then you do have a digital readout on the center screen, but it's very small, and then when you activate turn signals left or right, it switches to a side view and you lose that back full view. So this thing is awesome. I've got a digital camera that goes on the back right by the tailgate. I'm going to show you that in a minute. And then in here, you've got a full digital screen. This has got a forward-facing camera included. This is also going to be a dash cam if you want to record. I know the Tesla does too, but this is a second option, and this thing makes it safe to drive. And really, when I'm driving, it makes it feel more familiar with this rear view mirror. I love this thing. Easy DIY install. Going to take a little bit of time to run the wire to the camera, but our install video shows you exactly how you can do this at home. That digital camera, look over here. We've attached it right here on the front edge of the tonneau cover. The wire tucks nicely between the seal on the tonneau cover and the window glass on the top. It runs over to the side. It comes up under the cantrail cover here. And you can see right here where it loops underneath the door seal. This is the window door seal right here. And then it goes inside the vehicle, and it's tucked up underneath the headliner all the way to the front and over to the middle, and it pops out and plugs into the rear view mirror, and you don't see the wire once you've installed it. So a pretty slick installation here. All right, everybody, let me know what you think of this Cybertruck, these wheels, the steps, the rear view mirror, and what do you want to see next from us? If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to the channel because we got a lot more upgrades coming your way.